How to turn off the orange dot on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off the orange dot that is on the right top of your iPhone. So let's get started. So you must have been wondering a lot of times what this orange dot is on the right top corner of your iPhone. So this is the indicator for your microphone. That is, whenever your iPhone uses your microphone, the orange dot appears on the top. So to simply just turn that off, what you'll need to do is you will need to turn off features or apps that are using the mic. So if any of your features are using the mic, you can simply head over there and turn that off, and then the orange dot will go away. In my case, I'm using this screen recording, so it's using my voice, so it's showing you the orange dot. Now if I turn off the screen recording, it should go away with this orange dot as well, since none of my other apps will be using my microphone. So to turn that off, all you need to do is turn off each and every one of your applications that will be using your microphone, and you're good to go. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.